Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Piyush Agarwal and this video is around a practice use case for Automation 360. So the use and this particular video I am making because I've got a few people asking about the use of recorders, how we can use the recorder facility feature provided by Automation 360 Cloud. So, and to showcase the features, the abilities, I will be demonstrating a pretty small use case. So getting starting with that, let's say recorder practice. This is me creating a bot. Click on create and edit. For easier work, as I feel that AC automation system more compatible with Chrome. So I will use that. Now let's say I will open Chrome. Suppose I am searching over here CEO of TCS. Okay, Rajesh Gopinath sir. Now suppose you want to fetch these details which are present over here. What you can do, go to automation 60. Over here you can see this icon which is the recorder icon. Either you can press Ctrl Shift R or just click on it. Then with the bot agent, it will ask you for which window you want to work on. Okay, right. See, this is the window that I am using. So that you can check through by hovering over to the browser icon, CEO, TCS, Google Search, Chrome. Right. Then I am selecting the universal recorder. Now the recorder is started. If I hover my mouse over some icons, I can see this red particular box highlighting that particular field. It could be any field, right? Now let's say what I want is the born place of sir. So I will click on this. That's it. My work is done. Now over here you can see the last capture. It says something I left read on some label. Okay, that's it. I will click on finish. Now Automation 360 has created a capture activity for me, which if I need to work on. Now this is something specific to a particular element. It will look for that particular element which is on the screen, not a generic case. Like for example, if the window title currently it is CEO TCS, if that changes to CEO Microsoft, then this particular capture activity will fail. So I need to improve this particular properties of this particular command action, so it works as a generic for any search that I would do. So first thing, I will go to variables, click on this window one variable. Now here I need to make this generic. What I can do, I can remove this part with asterisk, and I might be using, instead of Chrome in future, this part might be used for any other browser. So this part can also be used as asterisk. But the Google search, that is something not in my hand. It is for Google itself. So it is more likely to remain constant with this. Okay. So I will apply this change. Next, what I don't want to do a left click. The action that I want to use is get a property. So the property that I want is, let's see, uh, in the property name we can write any property. So if I just enlarge this object properties, there are 47 properties available, and in this if I scroll more down, here I have got HTML inner text which contains the value that I had needed, the born age. And is there any other value? No. So this is the one HTML inner text that can give me the required value. So what I will do, I will copy this and paste it over here. Okay, it is not being copied, so I will write it manually. HTML inner text. I didn't use this inner HTML because here I can see that there is some kind of HTML being written over here. You can see this. This is for that link which is present besides this age for 32. So I will uncheck this. Make sure that you do not check this box because This checking this box makes it more specific to only one person, that this is the check the property that your object should have before the bot can identify it. So what I'm using the HTML inner text. Now I need to write it as it is, HTML inner text, and then going below I need to save it in some variable. I'm using this prompt assignment. Then I will use message box just to highlight the value which the bot is able to fetch, and save. Now let's bring the bot to the screen where the bot had started. I guess it was the next screen only. From this screen only it will capture this. So I will just click on run. So see, the bot has scrapped the data from this page, same as this. That was the work of a recorder. You can not only get the text, and I can click on some object, set some value. It's all the things that you can do with a simple recorder command. Now let's build an actual use case around the same scenario. So let's close this one. I will go to another simple use case. So what the idea is, I have got a test file over here. This test file has got 3 columns. First, the company name, which is the provided input, and 2 empty columns with the name of the CEO and the birth. So I want my bot to go to Google, search for these company names, and give me who is the CEO of this company, what is his or her birth. Okay, and I guess that is something very simple to understand. So let's go back. So what I need to build a similar bot as to the previous one that I have shown, but just need to upgrade it a little bit, add some Excel browser commands, and it will be done. So what I have done, I will just do a small walkthrough. I have used the browser open command to open the google.com, so that I don't need to keep this page open manually. It should be open by bot itself. Then I am opening my Excel, the test.xlsx. I have just provided its path and checked that the sheet contains some headers. Now I have created a variable called index with value 1 in initially. This variable would be used to write the values of the particular company's CEO in the Excel. Now I am using a loop command with the iterators for each row in worksheet for Excel basic. And I have created an Excel row variable which stores the all the row values of particular row. We increment the value by 1, so that at the first time the value would be 2. So if I want to write something, it would be in the B2 or C2 cell. Now similar to as the previous bot, I have used a recorder command, recorder capture. I have highlighted the name of the CEO, and over here in this instead of, sorry, this one for searching into the Google search bar. So in the Google search bar I am looking for CEO and the company name. To get the company name, I am using the Excel row variable we have created in the loop command, and to specify the a column I am using square bracket 0. So this Excel row is just a kind of an array that I can based on the index position, I can use any value, any column value. If you see the selectors over here, there is nothing which is common to anything. It is just a simple generic select properties. Then I am supposed to get the value of the CEO name. So I am using the action is get property and property name inner HTML. If I go to object properties, you can see this inner HTML. It is highlighting the CEO of Microsoft. But since I have not checked this one property, so it will work as a generic for all the CEOs whoever I search on Google. Now I am again saving in a prompt assignment and using this Excel basic set cell command to enter the value in a specific cell. The specific cell is column name B, and the row number index dot number to string. This particular way of converting an integer to string is also very useful. You don't need to use many actions, many commands. You can do it in a single one line, clean and good. Then again, we use the similarly record capture command to get the birth, just like in the previous video, the previous bot that I had created just now, and using the property name HTML inner text. It's not remember, it's not compulsory for you to use HTML inner text as a property name to get the value. You just need to go through these object properties and use the property which is more suitable, more feasible for you, which is more useful to you. Then I use another set cell command with C, so to write the value in the column C, and to go back to the first page where the bot had started, I'm again using the browser open command http.google.com. Only difference is that I am defining to use the existing tab instead of creating a new window. Now once the bot is finished, then it will close the Excel, save the details, and close the browser as well. So that was this for this bot. I will just run this and show you it in action. So now the bot has started. It has opened google.com. Now see, it is just typing the CEO, take the value from the Excel, and again for the similarly for the other companies. So our bot has run successfully. Let's see its output. See, the bot has successfully traced the details from the browser for me. That's all guys for this video. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel, and for any doubt you can always reach out to me. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.